Hello everyone and welcome to Harvest Moon Tarot. Today we will unbox and flip through Tarot of the Golden Wheel by Mila Losenko. The set is 5.5 by 3.1 inches or 14 by 8 centimeters. Tarot of the Golden Wheel. Inspired by the magic and wisdom of Russian fairy tales, Tarot of the Golden Wheel interprets traditional tarot through the prism of colorful Slavic folk culture. In this radiant deck, the Golden Wheel, a sacred symbol of karma, the sun, and the infinite cycles of life, conveys the fool on his journey through the major and minor arcana. Includes 78 cards and 84-page guidebook. The set is printed by US Games Systems. The set comes in a hard cardboard box. The booklet. Introduction. Major arcana. There's no pictures in the book. It gives the name and the number of the card, as well as the keyword or description in 1 or 2 words for the card. Gives the explanation for the card and the upright and reverse meaning. The minor arcana. Sample spread. About the artist. Cards. The cards are 5.1 by 2.75 inches or 13 by 7 centimeters. Major arcana. The Fool. The Magician. The High Priestess. The Empress. The Emperor. The Hierophant. The Lovers. The Chariot. Strength. The Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. Justice. The Hangman. Death. Temperance. The Devil. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. And the World. This is the end of Major Arcana. Minor Arcana. Wheels or Pentacles. Ace of Wheels. Two of Wheels. Three of Wheels. Four of Wheels. Five of Wheels. Six of Wheels. Seven of Wheels. Eight of Wheels. Nine of Wheels. 10 of Wheels. Page of Wheels. Knight of Wheels. Queen of Wheels. And King of Wheels. This is the end of Wheels. Wands. Ace of Wands. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four of Wands. Five of Wands. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. 10 of Wands. Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands. And King of Wands. This is the end of Wands. Cups. Ace of Cups. Two of Cups. Three of Cups. Four of Cups. Five of Cups. Six of Cups. Seven of Cups. Eight of Cups. Nine of Cups. 10 of Cups. Page of Cups. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups, and King of Cups. This is the end of Cups. Swords, Ace of Swords, Two of Swords, Three of Swords, Four of Swords, Five of Swords, Six of Swords, Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords, Ten of Swords, Page of Swords, Knight of Swords, Queen of Swords, and King of Swords. This is the end of Swords and the end of the deck. I hope you enjoyed this absolutely gorgeous and beautiful deck. Thank you for watching this video and have a lovely day.